Hey guys, Taylor with KC here, and these are our brand new Slimlite LEDs. These are the rebirth of the classic halogen Slimlite, but done in our LED version. So in this video, we wanted to give you a quick rundown on the features and specs of them, and then unbox this to show you exactly what comes with the full kit. So these pack 10 high-power Cree LEDs inside of it, and each light is putting out over 7,200 lumens at 50 watts a piece. The Slimlite refers to the very slim profile, as you'll see in a little bit here. And so with that, that's kind of a quick rundown of the specs. So let's dig into this box here so we can show you what's inside. So now that we've got the box open, this is everything that comes with the kit of the Slimlites. So of course it comes with the 2 Slimlite LED lights, but then it also comes with the 2 classic KC grill guards in the white lettering. And then in addition to that, it comes with the full wiring kit that you need for the 2 lights, along with the switch and the fuse inside here. And then of course some zip ties so that way you can wire everything nicely and neatly. So that's everything with the Slimlite LED. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you all, and remember to adventure further.